What's going on, guys? It's Nate in the 6, and today we'll be changing this diffuser, stock diffuser on my 440 to this carbon fiber diffuser. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need is a T20 socket and a 8mm socket, because there is 4 T20 screws under here that needs to be replaced, an 8 screw on each side. Okay, as you can see, we got all the screws out. Now all we gotta do is pretty much pull on this. Just pull on it gently so you don't damage the clips inside. There's a difference. Same OEM fitment, just a lot nicer. Don't forget to screw it on